collect detail from LinkedIn and you want to store it on Google Sheet, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add lead from LinkedIn lead ad to Google Sheet for easy access. Imagine you collect details from LinkedIn and you want to store it on Google Sheet. Doing it manually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Connect make a huge difference. Now, as soon as a new lead is generated on LinkedIn, it is automatically going to be stored on Google Sheet with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you want to know how to do this automation for yourself, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, as I have mentioned earlier, we are going to build an automation where we capture lead from LinkedIn and send it directly to Google Sheet, all without manual work. Where on trigger setup, I have connected my LinkedIn. Now, as soon as a new notification of lead is captured over here like this, it is automatically going to store it on Google Sheet without any manual work. Now let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open my LinkedIn and imagine I collect details from my customer through LinkedIn, where I ask my customer about their email address and phone number. Like this, as soon as they submit their details, the response is automatically going to be captured on our Pabbly Connect trigger setup, as you can see over here. Not only that, the lead that was captured on LinkedIn is automatically going to be stored on our Google Sheet, as you can see the same email address and phone number. This is going to be super helpful if you're generating lead through LinkedIn and want to keep everything organized automatically in Google Sheet. And if you want to know how to make this automation for your own business, so let's dive in and set up the step-by-step procedure. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. As soon as you search this, you will be landed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here you can easily connect multiple applications and automate your tasks. Not only that, we have Pabbly Community, where you can get exclusive access of real-time update, helpful resources and support from both our team and fellow user. Also, you can share your ideas, ask questions and discover latest features and tips for using Pabbly application. If you want to join this community, we have provided a link in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Not only that, here you can see there are two options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every single month. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which today we are working on Pabbly Connect. I will click on Access Now button of that. And soon you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here you can create and manage all your automation workflow in one place using Pabbly Connect dashboard page. Before creating a workflow, you need to remember these points which are mentioned over here. And to create a workflow, you need to click on Create Workflow button, which is given on the top right corner to start building a new automation workflow. Here you can select the workflow builder you want to use to create your automation workflow. We have new beta builder, which is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic is more stable with familiar approach. Today I'm going to use new beta builder. I will click on select button and a window will be appear over here. Here you need to provide a meaningful name to your workflow, as we are making a workflow to capture lead from LinkedIn and store it on Google Sheet. I will name it accordingly as lead from LinkedIn lead ad to Google Sheet. And below that, you need to select the folder or subfolder where you want to create your workflow. I will select my folder and click on create button. And just like that, you will be landed on this page. Here you need to set your workflow by adding trigger and action, where a trigger is an event that start or initiate your automation, and action is what you want to happen automatically after the trigger event occur. Basically, it is going to be the response or task that your system going to perform once the trigger is filed. To set my trigger, I need to click on Add Trigger button, and after that I need to choose my app. As I want to capture my lead from LinkedIn, I will choose my trigger app as LinkedIn, and after that I need to select my trigger event. As I want to capture lead, I will click on lead notification, and after that I'm going to click on connect button. Now to connect my LinkedIn and update my LinkedIn connection, I have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can select the existing connection. For today, I'm going to use add new connection and I'm going to connect with LinkedIn. Now I'm going to sign in my LinkedIn account, and here you can see my connection is successfully made. Now after that I need to select my account in which the lead is going to be generated. As my lead is going to be generated on Pabbly add account, I'm going to select that, and after that I'm going to save and send the test request. Now the trigger setup is waiting for the response. For that I'm going to open my LinkedIn Ads Campaign Manager page, and over here I need to click on advertise option. After that I'm going to select my campaign group. Now I'm going to select my lead generation. Finally I'm going to select my page in which my lead is going to be captured. To enter my detail, I need to click on apply now button so that my lead is going to be captured on my trigger setup. Here I need to enter my email address and phone number. Other than that, my first name, last name and my company name is already fixed, which I cannot change. Here I need to enter my email address and phone number. I have entered a demo email address and phone number. I have entered a demo email address as demoadmin@pabblytudes.com, and I have also entered my demo phone number. After that, I'm going to click on submit button, and here you can see my information is submitted. And as you can see, the response has been captured over here with the same email address and phone number. Now I want this response and details to my Google Sheet as soon as it is going to be captured from LinkedIn. For that, I need to set up my action. To add new action, I need to click on add button, and I will choose my action app. As we want to fill our details on Google Sheet, I will choose my action app as Google Sheet. After that, I'm going to select my app event as add new row. Now I'm going to connect this action setup with Google Sheet. Again, to update my Google Sheet connection, I have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have a connection with Google Sheet, you can select the existing connection. I will add a new connection. Now I'm going to sign in with Google. Now I'm going to provide the access, and here you can see the connection is created successfully. After that, I need to select my spreadsheet in which I want to fill my data. As I want to fill my data on lead from LinkedIn lead ad for company, I will select that. As soon as I've selected my spreadsheet, I need to map every single detail that I want to fill on my Google Sheet. Mapping will help to automatically fill your data to Google Sheet as soon as a new lead is generated on LinkedIn. Here I'm going to map first name. For that, I need to select my previous step in which data was captured, like first name. Here I will select the last name. Below that, I will select email address that was entered on previous step. After that, I will map phone number and company name. As soon as I have mapped each and every detail, I will click on save and send the test request. This will capture the response and fill each and every data on Google Sheet. As you can see, the response is received successfully. After that, I will open my Google Sheet, and here as well you can see response is created with the exact same details that we have filled on our lead. And that's it. Your LinkedIn lead will now flow directly into Google Sheet like magic whenever a new lead is generated on LinkedIn, that too without any manual effort. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, we have provided many such videos in our description box. Don't forget to check that out. Not only that, you can create many more automation using Pabbly Connect. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free automation using Pabbly Connect. I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching.